When was the last time you literally experienced FOMO?
Fear of missing out.
How would you rate following things on a scale of 1 to 10 based on their importance in Shrikant Tiwari's life? Family.
Family is,
If you're stuck in an elevator with Shrikant Tiwari, what would you talk about?
I'm very curious about, generally, I'm very curious about the intelligence officers and their job and how they do it.
If they were to make a film on Shrikant, that how he became what he is today, what would be its title?
I think. Family Man has such a fan base, and people love Shrikant Tiwari so much.
श्रीकांत तिवारी की एक ऐसी गाली जो आपने आज तक कभी रियल लाइफ में यूज ही नहीं करी।
वही जो 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 जीता ये वही कंदर, उसके बाद जो गाली आती है ना, वो मैंने जिंदगी में कभी यूज नहीं की थी। और वो गाली मुझे सच में इतनी गंदी लगती रही है कि पता नहीं कैसे मुंह से, मेरे ख्याल से वो ऑर्गेनिकली, बिकॉज श्रीकांत तिवारी के कैरेक्टर में आप होते हैं पूरे समय, ऑर्गेनिकली निकली। एंड देन आई सडनली held my head, I said कि shit यार, अब ये लोग जो है ना ये कहेंगे कि यही रखो, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं रखना। Exactly that has happened. I spoke to Raj and DK and they said no, it's looking good. Even Supern, he started jumping. No, don't change this abuse. This is fantastic. This goes with Shrikant's mood. I have never used that abuse at all ever in my life, and I will not repeat it, because social media is a very evil platform. It can come back to bite me all over again.
All right. What will Shrikant Tiwari do if he is asked to not use a single gali for a year as a punishment?
Shrikant Tiwari can't do without gali. I mean, it's impossible. He will prefer to die, but to go through that punishment. He's the guy, see, I'll tell you his backstory. He's been a very intelligent guy in his college. He was so intelligent and so charming that all the girls used to fall all over him. And it is actually mentioned by his brother in the first season. Okay, he's the guy who doesn't believe in having any kind of a problem with any culture or any language. So it shows in his personality, and that's how he's married to from South India. Okay? He believes in diversity. So he's a friend. He's a friend, but he's ferocious when it comes to his duty. He's extra intelligent. He's street smart, and he's somebody who could easily go for UPSC, but he chose to come into intelligence. That see, you could go into administration, but he chose to be intelligence because he finds this job far more patriotic. He has a sense of duty towards his nation, and he doesn't show it. He doesn't show it in a very typical way. He shows it through his work. But he's somebody who wants to be on top of his game when he's on the job. But he's somebody who wants to be on top of his game when he wants to come back, but he fails all the time. So without abuse, I don't see him, surviving one day.
When was the last time you literally experienced FOMO?
Fear of missing out. Oh yes, last time, right now, when the trailer has reached 40 million, I said I should have been there in Mumbai, at least celebrating with these guys, from a distance itself. But I should have been there. I am completely in this mountain. Somehow we managed. I came down here from my shoot. Yeah, you have a Wi-Fi facility, but it's still not that great, so that I can do these interviews. The fear of missing out is happening right now, Faridun, when Family Man is garnering such a massive response from the people. Yes, FOMO is happening right now, just when you are talking to me.
Why it's 45 million?
45 million, yes. Thank you.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how close your personality is to Shrikant Tiwari's personality?
No, not at all. I mean, my wife will divorce me if if I'm like that. She will not. She can't stand this kind of a guy. No, not at all. I have to be 100% at home when I'm at home. And so that is something. But I can't be that. I can't be lying. so much, and he's always lying to his family. That is something I find it very difficult to do in my own personal life.
If you're stuck in an elevator with Shrikant Tiwari, what would you talk about?
I'm very curious about, generally, I'm very curious about the intelligence officers and their job and how they do it. So my research, actually, I spoke to so many people and about so many things. I got so many other stories that I have, and that I keep giving it to my director friends, that please make a story out of this, because it's such an amazing job. I mean, look at this, Faridun. They are the people who know they are serving the country without any agenda, without any expectation. I mean, tomorrow if they are caught in a different nation, our own country will first disown them. That's the job. And if they are given a trophy or a medal, it is taken away from them, and it is only given to them after they retire, and they can't even talk about their job. So I mean, look at this. I don't think anybody else is that as patriotic as intelligence officers of our country.
No, absolutely. If they were to make a film on Shrikant, that how he became what he is today, what would be its title?
I think Family Man is just the right title. I was talking to Raj and DK. Yeah, let's make a film on Shrikant Tiwari. So I think Family Man has such a fan base, and people love Shrikant Tiwari so much. I would personally want Family Man only. It's for the film.
How would you rate following things on a scale of 1 to 10 based on their importance in Shrikant Tiwari's life?
Family is 6. Yeah, 6 in his mind.
JK
is 9.
Galis
is 8.
Smartphone
is something that he can do without. Well, smartphone actually is just up a little above family, I would say, because
right,
it has to do with his duty. So he's always on the job. Even when he's with his family, he's always checking his phone and checking all the instruction which is coming.